Hey you guys, it's Michelle aka Stunna, and today I'm going to do the use only a beauty blender challenge. And I'm excited. I think it's gonna be fun. So I was thinking like, okay, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna do like use only a beauty blender in my fingers or just a beauty blender? I decided to just use a beauty blender. I have mostly cream products, obviously, because that's the best way to use a beauty blender is with cream products. But I do have a couple powder products just to test it out and see how it goes. So y'all with me? Okay. This is gonna be very interesting. So I'm gonna use my Christopher Buckle Perfecting Foundation Stick in the color Deep. I really love this foundation. Okay. And I'm going to beat my face with my booty blender. Also, you guys, when you use a beauty blender, be sure that it's damp. I mean, I suppose you could use a dry one, but I wouldn't. I mean, just damp it. Get it wet, wring it out. That's how you get the best results. I'll just use it to cover up my dark circles. And then, oh, by the way, that was the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Suede. Now I'm going to use the same thing, Fenty Beauty matchstick in Espresso. And just contour the face. And I'm going to blend that concealer first. And then I'm going to blend out the contour. I'm blending that contour down my chin. So just blend it up. Oh, and by the way, this beauty blender is not a real beauty blender. It's not the original. This is actually a $1 beauty blender from Shop Miss A. I used to just buy beauty blenders only, but I was really tired of spending 20 bucks for a sponge. So then I started buying the Real Techniques one. Because they're like $6, you can get them on sale, whatever. And I was getting tired of buying those too. So I found these amazing ones on Shop Miss A that work nicely. And they're $1. Now I'm gonna go in with cinnamon with the matchsticks, and this is a highlighter. I'm just putting that on the top of my cheeks and a little on the nose. Okay, so blending that with the beauty blender. And blending out that nose. And just for fun, I'm going to use the shade Unicorn, which is like a purpley color. And I'm going to go over top of that just for a little extra highlight. I'm nervous. I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna do this orange shade first, and it's powder. That's why I'm a little nervous about it. I'm just gonna pat that on the apples of my cheeks and blend it towards the hairline. Oh God, it can't, oh, poor. I don't even think it's a good color. We're gonna find out together. I'm actually gonna go in with that pink now. I like how it melts in to the skin using this, rather than that powdery finish sitting on top, you know? Yeah, it's really cute. Now for the eyeshadow. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I have a powder eyeshadow. This is Stunna in the color Terracotta. Oh, okay. It's not horrible. It's not as crazy as I was expecting. Now I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop shade in Sequin. This is definitely a shade I would use with my finger, but we're using the Beauty Blender. And I'm just gonna tap that on the eyelid. And then I'm gonna go in with Stunna Jewel Eyeshadow in Golden Topaz. And I would definitely use my finger with this one as well. So we're going in. And I just want a little extra sheen, so that's why I'm putting this on top. And trying to focus a little bit in that inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in with lipstick. I don't need a beauty blender to do this. This is the Maybelline, is it Maybelline? Yeah, Maybelline lipstick in Touchable Taupe. And then I'm gonna top it with Sin Nudes by Mented Cosmetics lip gloss. And then the last thing, of course, is just mascara. I'm using Lancome Definicil's mascara. This is probably my all-time fave. A trick for your mascara: get your brush as close to the root as possible, like that, and then close the eye and wiggle up. Oh, as you're wiggling up, you're also rotating the brush, or the wand. So you're going up and you're rotating it as you're wiggling up. That is how you get maximum coverage in one swipe. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was really fun, and I just like that I just challenged myself to do something like this, something I've definitely never done before, and I like it. It looks good and I had fun. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I post new videos every Friday now. It used to be every Wednesday. So I've moved to Friday, and then I think on Wednesdays I'm just gonna post random videos. Like I might post like wellness videos, fitness videos, grocery hauls, stuff like that. And it might not even be every Wednesday. This might be whenever I have a video to show you guys. And we'll just go from there and just see how that works. So hopefully you guys are into that. That's what I'm into right now. And it's my channel, so I'm gonna do what I want. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And please comment and let me know what you think of this look. I would really appreciate that. And make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me, okay? So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.